Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we're taking care of business by making a riff on the bee's knees cocktail called The Business. This cocktail was created by the late great Sasha Petraske at his famous Milk and Honey bar in New York City. I really enjoy the bee's knees, I love a gold rush, so I think we're in for a treat. For ingredients we've got gin, preferably a London Dry like Tanqueray or Beefeater, just pick something classic. You don't want an overly complex gin that distracts from the other ingredients. Rich honey syrup, today I'm using 2-to-1, but 3-to-1 would also work well. Just be sure to think about how sweet you want it. And lastly, the twist, lime juice in place of lemon. Once you've got your lime juiced, gather all of your ingredients and let's get to it. Starting off, grab your bar mat and select a coupe to go in the freezer. You want it nice and frosty since we're serving this up. Then grab your shaker tin, your go-to jigger, measure 3/4 of an ounce of rich honey syrup, one ounce of lime juice, and 2 ounces of gin. Fill your tin with ice and shake well for 12 seconds. Remove your coupe from the freezer and double strain your cocktail into your glass. And there you have The Business. Now let's give it a taste. Botanicals and some sharpness from the gin, followed by a refreshing and tart lime note, which easily mixes with the rich honey rounding out the palate and having that lingering nectar taste. The bee's knees does drink a bit cleaner, but this has a tropical element from the lime that I really enjoy. It really depends on your preferences what you'll like more. Thanks everyone for watching. Do you have a favorite bee's knees riff? Let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.